Right, so we are picking this challenge lock with the new and improved pins. I'm going to use top of the keyway tension and a medium hook. So what I'm going to do is go right to the back and lift pin 6. There we go. A little click. Pin 6 is a serrated pin, so we're on one of the serrations now. Who's next? 5 has given us a little bit counter rotation and a click. 4, a little bit of counter rotation. It doesn't seem to want to. There we go, and a click there on 4. 3, counter rotate and click. 2 doesn't want to do anything yet. There we go. Set. Pin 1, we're going to. That's 2. Pin 1, we're going to avoid. And then back to the back. 6. Oh, there's a little bit of movement when I lift him. There we go. 5. Some of our spools have dropped. Or we're stuck on the milling. 2 and avoid 1, because 1 is 0 lift, so we don't want to touch it. It will feel like it's counter rotating, but it is not. 6, 5, 4, nothing. 3, nothing. 2, nothing. Back to the back. Got a little bit of movement on 6. Lift 6. Come on. I think this is stuck on the milling. There we go. A little bit of a click. There we go. So there we go. It was 5 that was stuck on its milling. So what I'll do now is get it gutted. Okay, so we're going to get this lock gutted. I've already taken the clip off, so you don't have to watch me struggling with that for 5 minutes. And we've got the key there. So we've got a very deep cut there, and a fairly deep one there, and a few slightly higher cut pins. So if we pop the key in, get a follower in, and get that core out. Okay, we'll do the key pins first. So we'll just pop that down there. So going from the back, got pin 6, which is a serrated key pin. 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1, which is our trap pin. So it's a very spooled key pin. So that is all our key pins out. So they're all at least one serration. And on pin 6 we've got a number of serrations. So let's get the drivers out as well. So the driver in chamber 1 is standard. Because that's at the shear line already, because it is 0 lift, so there's no point doing anything exciting on it. Pin 2 doesn't want to come out. There we go. Pin 2 is a spool. Pin 3 another spool. Pin 4 is a little mushroom. Pin 5 is another spool. And then pin 6 is a serrated driver to go with that serrated key pin. Oh, come on. Okay. Oh, he's the wrong way around. So there we go. So that's the pins out of it. We've also got a little bit of counter milling around the chambers, which is a little bit messy. Just ignore that bit. That's what the pins were getting stuck on when we were trying to pick them earlier. So there you go.